On behalf of the Board of Trustees, I want to welcome each and every one of you, our dedicated teachers, staff, and administrators, and leaders, back for another exciting and inspiring school year.
That's the most important job that you have. Take your time, check references, double check.
It's the only time where everybody gets together. It's the only time. It's once a year where all the staff in the same roof. Thank God that we have this facility where it's in our district and we can fit every staff member in here to hear the same message from our leaders. The message that we're promoting this year, it's a team. No, it doesn't. Nobody works in isolation, not in any organization, and certainly not in this business. It takes a team, from the custodian to get the rooms ready, from the transportation department to bring the children to school, from our curriculum specialist to assist with the curriculum on campus. It's a team effort, and it starts with the board, and then it trickles to me, and then to our team, and then we go to the campuses stronger together. This is not an I, it's a we.